7.0 magnitude earthquake that hit about an hour ago in the sea between Greece and Turkey. This is new video that we just got in of one of many buildings collapsing. It's just, it's stunning, the amount of damage that we're going to see there, yet to be assessed, but significant. We've seen up to 20 buildings sustain some major damage. Some of them, as you can see, this one collapsing completely. No reports of any death yet in the Turkish cities impacted. They're all along the western coast. Want to show you some video of a tsunami also that this 7.0 magnitude earthquake caused. This one hit, again, the coast of...
Hayır ya, Ziraat Bankası'nın solu. Lütfen herkes sessiz olsun.
Allah'ım kalp krizi geçiriyorum. Dil ayağa tatlım. Ver çantanı bana.
Yakaladım. Masanın önünde bir şey yakınıyor. Güzel. تمام اطلع من جهه الجوال لا ما في شيء ايوه بس هذا يعني هي الاجازه كل